Hey guys, it's Han. So today's video is going to be a try on POLLY clothing haul, which I'm so excited about. You guys know I actually picked up quite a few pieces of swimwear from them recently for Marbella, and you're never going to believe it, but your girl is actually in Ibiza this weekend. So last time we were going to Marbella, this time we're going to Ibiza, and I picked out some stuff from the website to show you. This video is actually in collaboration with POLLY as well, which I'm super grateful for. Like, I've honestly loved POLLY for what feels like forever, so I'm really grateful to be working with them. They have very kindly gifted all of the pieces that I'm going to be showing you, and I wanted to pick out a range of stuff. So I've got some like tops, well I've got a top, I've got some dresses, and I've got some swimwear, because obviously if we're going to Ibiza, boys and girls, we need some cute swimwear as well. So they very kindly gave me a discount code for you guys to use as well, which I'm actually really excited about because they don't do discount codes very often. Like, if you guys know POLLY and you shop there often, you will know it's not very often that you get a discount code there. So I'm going to pop it on the screen here and put it in the description bar below, as well as all of the links to the pieces that I'm going to be trying on. For those of you that are new to POLLY, they are basically an online boutique here in the UK, and they sell a whole range of stuff. So they sell more casual pieces like tops, leggings, jersey pieces, that kind of vibe, but then they also sell a lot more like glam dresses and also swimwear as well. They have the most amazing swimwear collection. You guys know pretty much anything that I wear swimwear wise will always be POLLY, so can't rate them enough. And one of the things that I love about the brand as well is they really make an effort with things like packaging. So all of the packaging that everything comes in is really beautiful. All of my stuff actually came in this really gorgeous cardboard box, which I love as well because it's also recyclable. And then all of the swimwear pieces were actually hand wrapped inside as well, which was incredible, in really gorgeous tissue paper. So presentation wise, they make so much effort. And if there's one thing that I can say about the pieces, like, not just saying this, I've said this the whole time that I've ever shopped at POLLY, even when I've not been sponsored by them, the quality of their pieces is incredible. Like, you really pay for the quality. Also, fun fact, there was actually some freebies in the box as well, which I thought was really cool. So we actually got a free Saint-Tropez mitt, which, not a cheap mitt, you know, it's a good mitt, I'm telling you. And then we also got a mini Saint-Tropez bronzing water face mist as well, which I'm actually probably going to take to Ibiza, because there's one thing about tan, like, it always wears off so much quicker on the face. So the fact that these came for free, like, okay. I don't know what to start with. In fact, I'm going to start with this top first because I am obsessed with this top. So this is basically a little corset top. I got the white version, but it does also come in a mint version as well, which was super cute. So this is what it looks like. It's basically really fitted on the body, which I love. As I've said, quality wise, everything is always 10 out of 10, and everything always really hugs your figure and feels really fitted on, which I love. So there is some structure to the corset itself. It's basically a little corset top with a zip, and it's got wires and kind of like structure going around it, around the cup, and going down as well to really help shape your figure, which I love. And then it's got these really cute little puffy sleeves, which are just the most adorable things ever. I kind of have this in mind for just a pair of like blue denim shorts, blue denim jeans, or you could really dress it up and wear it with like a skirt in the evening, or some wide leg trousers and heels. Something like this is just super versatile. Like, it will literally go with everything, and I feel like this kind of top is just summer in a nutshell. Like, it's just such a cute summery top. The zip on it is silver, which I really love, and I like the fact that the actual shape of the corset, it goes down in the middle, as you can see, so it just kind of like hugs your figure and like shapes your waist in a really nice way. I got a size 8 in this. I've actually reordered it in a size 6 myself. Like, I literally bought it off the website and ordered it again in a size 6, just because I do want it to be a tiny little bit more fitted. But I feel like depending on how big your boobs are, like my boobs aren't the biggest, so I can definitely go a size down. But if you've got a slightly bigger chest, then I feel like your normal size is fine. And the thing that I love about this as well, like, obviously it's got a zip going all the way down, and I feel like to some people they might get freaked out by the fact you can just unzip it, but it does actually have a clip, like a little clasp at the top as well that you can clip, and it really locks it in and just makes sure that the zip's not going to move. So again, quality wise, 10 out of 10. Like, cannot rate this enough. This is probably one of my favorite pieces in this entire haul, so love that. Okay, and then next up, again, I think this is my favorite dress in this whole haul. I tried this on and I instantly felt like a bad bitch. Okay, that's the only way I can describe it. I just felt good. So this is a black mini dress. As you can see, this is what it looks like off. So it's basically a kind of like a hook style situation. It's got like hooks going all the way down the center, as you can see. They're a really nice gold color, which I love as well, because obviously I wear a lot of gold jewelry. And then in terms of the sleeves, it is Bordeaux, so it kind of has a bit of a sweetheart neckline, which I really love. And again, it's got wiring under the cups, which is incredible, because I feel like it really shapes and like kind of fits your chest and your boobs in just the right way. And then it goes off to an off the shoulder dress, and it's just got little puffy sleeves that are slightly more puffier at the top, and then they go down to be more tapered towards the bottom. It does have a zip at the back to help you get it on and off. Again, I got this in a size 8. I feel like depending on sizing, I could possibly getting a 6 in this. I feel like it might be a bit tight on the waist, but again, because I'm slightly smaller on the chest, I could potentially size down. But the actual, again, the quality, like I'm gonna say it so many times and you're gonna get sick of it, but the quality of this is incredible. I like the fact as well it's got really small little cutouts going down the side of the hook as well on each side, which you're probably not going to see with me holding it up, but you'll see it in the try on clip. Perfect for a night out if you like me and you love a little black dress. Like I would literally just pair this with heels, black heels, and like a really nice glam makeup look and whatever hair you want to do. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this. Have to say it's probably one of my favorite dresses in this entire haul. Okay, and then onto a dress that is definitely coming to Ibiza with me. I am obsessed with this again. This is just a little white dress. As you can see, obviously very summer appropriate, which we love. This is very fitted. Again, I got this in an 8. I feel like I could have potentially been between an 8 and a 10, but it fits like a glove, like literally fits perfectly. So if you are in between sizes, I would maybe like size up a little bit. But the thing I love about this is it's just really like classic, really chic, really elegant, very like summer kind of day appropriate, but also could be dressed up in the evening as well. Like it's a very versatile piece, again, like a very versatile dress. The material is really soft. It's like a really nice soft cotton material, and then again it's got little puffy sleeves. I feel like this style of sleeve is so in at the minute. Like it just looks really flattering and really dainty on. But the thing that I love about this is it actually ties across your boobs, which I feel like even when you've got a smaller chest and you've got smaller boobies, okay, when you can like tie something, you can really tie it quite tight and make you look like you've got more than you've got, if you know what I mean. You can kind of adjust it and like customize it to how you want it to look on your chest, which I love. And the thing that I love with it being white, it's not see-through or anything like that. Like it looks really beautiful and really flattering on. I also love the fact that you can kind of wear the sleeves however you want to. Like you can wear the sleeves off the shoulder or you can wear them on the shoulder, so you can kind of like mix it up a little bit. But I just have this in mind for maybe like a daytime situation, maybe to go over a bikini. Like I feel like this would look really lovely over a bikini or a swimsuit with a pair of like sandals or a pair of white trainers. But you could also then dress it up in the evening as well with a pair of white heels, like perspex heels, whatever you're gonna wear it with. So okay, and then we've got 2 more dresses, boys and girls, and then the rest are swimsuits. So I actually got the same dress in 2 different colors, which you're gonna be like, what the hell, that's a bit excessive, which it probably is. But I just loved the vibe of this dress. I love that it was kind of like simple and elegant, but you could really kind of dress it up and accessorize it in whatever way you wanted to. So I'm going to show you this color first, because this color is definitely not something that I would usually gravitate towards, but honestly, when I tried this on, I could just really visualize it on like holiday again. Like definitely in my case, coming to Ibiza. Thank you so much. See you there, Chicken Claw. This is just a really cute little ruched dress. As you can see, it's very simple, which is what I love about it, because it's just such a simple like fitted bodycon like ruched dress, but you can really kind of style it in different ways. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can accessorize it, you can leave it really simple if you want to. The actual shape of it is gorgeous. So it's basically, it's kind of more of a square neckline, but then because it's got clear straps, it does pull it up a little bit as well, which I love. Which the straps are attached to the dress, in case you're wondering. They're not detachable, so it's not like just a strapless dress anyway. Like it has the straps on, but it kind of looks nice when like the perspex straps are like down on your shoulders as well. I feel like that looks really effortless and really chic. It doesn't have a zip or anything like that, but because it's so stretchy, it's super easy to get on. It's double layered, which I love. Like it's super opaque, it's not see-through or anything like that, and it literally hugs you like a dream. Like it's just so gorgeous on. So yeah, that is the mint version, which I'm obsessed with. And then of course I had to get the black as well, because you guys know I'm an all black girl. Like I can never not have a little black dress. So this is what the black one looks like. You'll have to let me know in the comments which is your favorite and which one you would get yourself, because I'd be really interested to know. But again, it's just a little black dress, and it's the same material, same dress exactly, but it's just black. The straps are adjustable as well, which you guys know we love an adjustable strap. Thank you so much. Again, quality wise, incredible. But yeah, this one is just probably a little bit more dressy, I would say. I always feel like black is more of a dressier color compared to something like fun like this. So I kind of have one for night and one for day, which I love. It's really flattering on. I got these both in an 8. They fit perfectly. They fit like a dream. You can wear like strapless bras underneath, which I really love as well, because I'm really into wearing like a strapless bra at the minute with certain dresses, depending on like how much how full I want to look in terms of my boobs or whatever you want to say. Yeah, they look really good with a strapless bra as well, and you can wear underwear with them, you can wear whatever you want with them, and they probably look, again, really cute over a bikini in the daytime if you want to put something a little bit more dressier on, say if you go into like a beach club or like a party. Okay, and then on to swimwear. I got 2 bikinis. So I got one that is more of a fun pop of colour, and then one that is, again, black. As I said, Polly literally do the cutest swimwear. Like if you're going on a girls' holiday this year, if you're going to Marbella, Ibiza, Napa, like Zante, wherever you go in and you want a cute swimsuit, 10 out of 10 recommend. I also love the fact about Polly is they do a lot of stuff in different colourways. So say for example you want to be matching with your best friends, say no more. They've got you, okay? Me and Mads have genuinely been coordinating our outfits and stuff for holidays, and a lot of the time we pretty much order together like the same thing off Polly but in different colours, so that when we turn up we're like the same but different, you know? Okay, so this is the first bikini. As you can see, it's a really cute lime colour, like a neon green lime colour, which I'm obsessed with. So this is just a ribbed situation. It's just a really simple bikini top, which I absolutely love. But I love the fact that it's got chunkier straps than most, because I love like a really thick strap sometimes on bikinis. I feel like they just look a little bit different. Looks really cool on. It looks more of a bralette, which I really love, because you could also wear this like not as a bikini. You could wear it just with shorts or trousers or whatever you want to wear it with for like a festival, for example. Adjustable straps, again, which we love. So it's just a really simple little ribbed top, as you can see there. Has a little clasp at the back to do it up, and I also really love the ring detail, as you can see there. So I got this in a size small. To be honest, I could probably do with an extra small in this, just because I always forget that like I'm a little bit smaller on the chest, so I can always size down a little bit more on my chest compared to my bottom, because in the bottoms in bikinis on Polly I always usually get a medium. I actually got these in a small and these fit really well, but the black ones I probably need a medium to go with that. So this is what the bottoms look like. They're just super high rise, which I love, because you guys know I love anything high-waisted, anything that's gonna go like right up to my belly button. Don't know what it is, but I just think it looks really flattering on my body type. And then this is a normal bikini at the back, so it's not a thong or anything. They have a lot of different types and styles of like swimsuits and bikinis, depending like if you want a thong, if you want more of like a Brazilian cut, for example. So this one has a little bit more coverage than some of the others, but again, it's just a ribbed situation, and I like the fact that it's got the rings here as well, just to tie in with the bikini top. So something a little bit different. Again, it's definitely coming on holiday with me. I feel like this colour, especially, like colour in general is really in at the minute, obviously with it being summer, but I feel like neon green is just so in. Like I just see it everywhere, and I feel like it looks really cute with a tan as well, so I'm excited to wear that. And then last but not least, we've got one more bikini. So as I said, I got these bikini bottoms in a small, and I definitely need a medium in these, so I am going to exchange them. This is what they look like. So they're just really simple bikini bottoms. As you can see, they actually have a separate strap going around the top as well, which I really love, because it kind of adds a little bit of something to them, so you can kind of tie that up and customize it. And then at the back, this one is more of like a thong style, as you can see, so it has like a little bit less coverage as the other bikini bottoms that I just showed you. Really comfortable on, really flattering. The quality is amazing. The fabric on these swimsuits is so soft, so comfortable. It feels really lovely on the skin. So yeah, those are the bikini bottoms. Again, they're quite high rise, which I really love. And then in terms of the top is, the one thing that I love about Polly is that they do these styles of bikinis that I've not really seen anywhere else at the minute, and they're more like t-shirt style tops, which I think is really cool, because if you're like me, when I go on holiday, my shoulders can burn so quickly. So I think it's kind of cute that they have bikini tops that actually like cover your shoulders and stuff like that as well, and look more like a top. Because again, you could wear this not as a bikini as well. You could wear it with like joggers, for example. You could wear it with high-waisted jeans, high-waisted black trousers, denim shorts. Like, you don't have to wear this just as a bikini top, so you kind of get like a 2-in-1, which I really love. This one is just a plain black top. It's got really short little sleeves, which I love, and then it is designed to give you a bit of under boob, so it is cut quite cropped, as you can probably see there, and you'll see it in the try on clip as well. And then at the back, it's got a little bit of a cutout situation, and then again, it's just got the same detailing that is on the bottoms with the extra like tie and like strap. Really pretty on, really flattering. I got this in a small. To be honest, again, I could have probably got this one in a medium, especially if you've got bigger boobs than me. Definitely size up in this, because it is cut quite cropped, and obviously like it's cute to have the under boob, but if you want both options, I would definitely size up. But the thing I love as well is that everything has the kind of like sticky lining on it. Again, quality wise, it's incredible, and it is actually double layered, which I love. But the fact that it's got the sticky fabric kind of just means that it like adheres to the skin a little bit better, and it's not gonna like move or do anything whilst you're moving around. So yeah, I'm obsessed. I love that so much. Super cute on, and again, all black, you know me. But yeah, that is everything that I picked up from POLLY. As I said, they very kindly gave me a discount code as well that I will let you guys know what it is. I want to say a big thank you to them for collaborating with me on this video. You guys know I featured POLLY on my channel in the past. I did a haul recently where I picked up some pieces from them, and I did one last year as well, last summer, where I picked up a bunch of stuff from them as well. So being able to work with them is just the best thing ever. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys as always, and I will see you in the next one.